No good?
Well,
Are there too many bees?
they should know. It's just the.
Okay.
I don't think the bees will bother us. We're not bothering them. Don't. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, oh dear. Scaredy dog.
I think so, yeah. Shall we photo gallo?
Shall we try and do something?
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh, you could go first, couldn't you, George, really? Come on. Oh, for sake. Oh. Determined to get to the end. Good boy. There we go. Finally.